In the currency quadrant today, taking a look at that September Japanese yen, which had quite a big turnaround. Yen was down 3 of the last 4 sessions, down today again about 35 basis points or so, close to the lows on the low side of things, 90.45 we were down 40 basis points. On the upside, barely up 0.1%, not even up 0.1% at 90.87, with the settlement yesterday being 90.82 in that September contract. But this week started out higher by 1%, but then finished the week lower by down almost 0.5%. And that's because that flight to safety bid in the Japanese yen was completely eliminated. On Monday, we saw that in the dollar, we saw it in gold, we saw it in the yen as well. All that flight to safety with that risk asset sell-off that we got on Monday was completely taken out of the equation, and the yen was a part of that. Again, going from up 1% on the week, almost 1%, to down almost 0.5% by the time we closed out on Friday. Now, data comes next week for the Japanese yen. It's actually a pretty decent data week. You've got the economic and coincidence index for Japan coming out early next week. And then we've also got the minutes from the Bank of Japan meeting. You remember the last Bank of Japan meeting, they declined to actually lay out any policy changes, but did talk about pressuring the banks to lend again, especially to lend to climate change style projects, green projects. So we'll see if any of that was discussed in terms of specifics, but with the dollar being stronger and the yen being weaker over the course of the entire week, that really is a removal of a flight to safety most of all.